Welcome to the PartSmall web order system. Through this video, we believe that you will be able to use our web order system without any problems. If you visit our PartSmall website, you will see the login button at the very top. If you click this, you will see this pop-up for login. To log in our web order system, you need to have your ID and the password. For this information, please kindly contact your person in charge. Now, if you log into our web order system, you will see this page. If you wish to search item information and price information through our web order system, you need to satisfy certain conditions. To search only items, if you attain more than 2 shipments or if your shipment amount is more than $15,000 for the last 3 months, you can automatically search the items through our web order system. To search the price information through our website, you can only satisfy one condition among 3, as I am going to explain now. First one, if your shipments are made more than 10 times during recent 3 months, you can search the price information for items through our web system. Second condition, if your shipments are made more than 6 times during recent 6 months and the amount is more than $150,000, you can search the price information. Thirdly, if your shipments are made more than twice during recent 6 months and the amount is exceeding $300,000, you can search the price. If you satisfy even one condition among 3, you can automatically check all the information, including item search and price information. Now, let's move on to the web order system. The very first page you see when you log in is this one. There will be updated news related to the web order system. Now, if you go here, you can see My Info. You can revise your information through this page, but after revising your information, please notify your person in charge just in case. Let's move on to the buyer page to search items. If you go to the top, you will see this button. Please click here. Now you see many categories at the left side. Private brand, which you can search items under PartSmall private brand. Second, item selection. You can search all the available items through here, including discount items and promotion items. Third one, offer. You can search your purchase order history and the status which you have made on our web order system. Next one, order. You can check all the order history and the status which you made by online and directly through the person in charge. Next, shipping. You can check the details of your shipment. Next, mileage. You can check your mileage status, which you have earned from web order system. Next one, claim. You can check the status of your claim items, which you have reported to your person in charge. Last one, account. You can check your payment history and the status through here. Let's check the categories with more details now. If you click PMC under private brand category, you will see this page. Through this, you can check the items under PMC parts. Then if you go to Cardex and search items, you will only see Kardex items. This private brand page is only focused on customers who wish to search only PartSmall brands. Now, since the format of the page is almost the same for private brand and search part page under item selection, we will explain you how to search items on item selection category. If you go to the search part under item selection category, you will see this page. You can search parts in accordance with part number, part name, brand, car maker and model, part class, and brand type. For the brand type, because the default value is private brand Korea, which means PartSmall private brand, if you wish to check others, you need to click the one you want. Let's say you want to check the items of head gasket for Daewoo Matiz for all brands, including PartSmall brand, other aftermarket items, and import items, and so on. If you click the plus button next to the car maker and model, you will see this pop up. Let's set the car maker as Daewoo and the model as Matiz, and click the select button. And set the part class as head gasket. And lastly, brand type as all. Then search. Now you can see some items available. You can check the items details by part number, part name, brand, factory number, and other details. If you wish to put some items into your cart, please click the radio button and put your requested quantity here, and then click the cart button at the top of the list. Then you will see this pop up, and if you wish to save the items, please click Save button, and if you will keep searching items, please click No. For your information, if you change this triangle export as yes and search, you will see it is only one item, which are supplied directly from other countries. Now let's move on to the promotion parts. To search parts, it is almost the same with search part page. But if you click this ongoing promotion item, you will see the promotion items which are now being processed. Let's check the timing chain set promotion. Now you can see many items available. If you wish to check more items, please check out the next page at the bottom. Let's move on to the next page, ordered parts. Through this page, you can check out the items which you have already purchased from us. You can search the items in the same way. All the prices on our web order system is current price, which the current exchange rate is applied. Let's go to the ordered parts new. This page, you can search the items you have already purchased from us, but you can also check out the items by grades. let's go to the discount parts. Through this page, you can check out the items which you can get a discount. You can compare the price with old price and current price. Now, if you wish to check your cart how many items you have selected, let's go to the cart management. When you go here, you can check the items you have saved into your cart in accordance with the details and the period. If you already know the item's detail, you can also upload the item list through this page. If you click the Excel upload here, you will see this. And if you click the Excel form download, you will see this pop up with the Excel format. Please download the format and fill it out. You need to fill out the yellow parts, but you don't have to fill out the white parts. The things you need to be careful and be noted that is you can only upload 100 items at once. Also, you need to upload the items with factory number. If you upload the incorrect factory number, or if you upload part numbers instead of factory number, our system cannot recognize it. And if you upload your own part name through Excel upload, that will be printed out on your small label. But it should be only English, Russian, Spanish, or Arabic. The last thing you need to be careful is that not to change the format of Excel sheet. This should be Excel 1907 to 2003 format. Please do not change it. Now, if you are done with selecting items and you wish to order, please click the radio button of items and click the purchase order button at the top. Then you will see this pop up. If you wish to separate your current purchase order with your other orders, you can put your reference number here. Then 1 or 2 days later, your person in charge will send you the pro forma invoice. If you sign and confirm and send it back to us, then your order will be processed according to your payment term. Now, let's move on to the next category, offer. If you go here, you can check out the purchase order list which you have made through our web order system. You can check out the brief information through offer list for each purchase order, but if you wish to check out the details, you can click the purchase order and then click the purchase order view button at the bottom. Or you can go to the offer and search it. Now let's move on to the order page. For this order category, you can check all the order status which you have made by online or directly through your person in charge. If you go to the order list and order details, you can check out the information about your ongoing orders or order history in accordance with some conditions. If you go to order item progress, you can check the status of your ordered items, whether it is in-house or not. If you go to order versus shipment, you can check out the status whether your ordered items are shipped or not. Now, let's move on to the shipping category. If you go to the shipment list, you can check out the brief information about each of your shipment. And if you go to the shipment details, you can check the further details of your shipment. Now, if you go to the purchase amount, you can check out your performance by year and by month. If you wish to check out purchase amount of specific brand, you can set the brand type or the specific brand name. If you go to the purchase amount brand page, it is almost the same as the previous one, but it shows you the total purchase amount of the year by month and by brand type totally. Now let's move on to the mileage category. If you make orders through our web order system, you will get 0.5% mileage of your total purchase amount. And when your shipment is made, your mileage will be offered in the following month. If your accumulated mileage amount is more than $500, you will be able to use it. Now, if you see the mileage amount page, you can check the brief information about your mileage in accordance with the year and month. If you go to the mileage list, you can check your mileage status in accordance with the period, specific shipment number, or order number. And if you go to the mileage detail, you can check further details. You can check how many mileage has been accumulated by each item. Now, let's move on to the next page, claim. If you click the claim category, you will see claim list. You can check out the information and the status of your claim items, which you have reported to your person in charge. Now, let's move on to the last page, account. If you go to the balance sheet page under account category, you can check out your payment status and the history. Now, if you follow our instruction, you can use our web order system. We hope that this video would be helpful for you using our web order system. And if you have more questions or any requests about our web order system, please contact your person in charge. Thank you.